Hey there, Felix here, and I hope you're all doing well. But if you're serious about making money online, then listen up because this is crucial. Stop. Stop buying make money online courses. The last thing you need right now is another make money online course. What you truly need is a done for you system or a platform, if you will. This is a complete ready to go system or platform that allows you to market built-in products so you can start earning commissions right away and learn about affiliate marketing in the process as you go. Here's the thing I've learned from my own experience. I spent tens of thousands of dollars on various business models and courses over the years. If you're like me, balance your family, kids, and a job, basically life, you know that time is incredibly limited. The problem with most courses is that they demand a huge time investment from start. You end up spending countless hours, weeks, or even months going through all the material, taking notes, and then trying to put everything together. For those who aren't tech savvy, this process can be especially challenging. After all that time and effort, you often feel confused and see no tangible results, which leads many people to quit. Plus, many of these courses don't offer adequate support, so you're left without answers when you have questions. Think about it. You buy a course, and it includes hours of video content, PDFs, and maybe some webinars. You have to dedicate a significant amount of time just to go through all the material. Then you need to implement what you've learned. This means setting up websites, creating marketing materials, understanding analytics, and more and more and more. It's overwhelming for most people. You put all this time and energy, and in the end, you might still feel lost because there's so much to digest and piece together. Instead of wasting time on these courses, what works better for most people is something that's already complete. As a busy person myself, that's exactly what I was searching for, a ready-made system of business in a box. Imagine having a platform that's already set up with high-quality products built into the system. All you need to do is start marketing it online and you can begin generating commissions immediately. Having such a system is a game changer. You don't need to worry about learning all the intricacies of online marketing, setting up complex systems, or dealing with technical issues. You simply plug into a proven system and start promoting it. It saves you from the frustration and confusion that often come with traditional courses. If this sounds like what you've been looking for and you're tired of wasting time on endless courses that don't deliver, I have something exciting to share with you. So click on the link in the description box and you'll be taken to a training that introduces a very cool done for you platform. With this platform, you don't have to mess around with any other make money online courses. You can just get a ready-made platform and start promoting it online. This platform is designed to help you start earning quickly without the usual hassle. You don't need to be a tech expert or spend months learning. You can start seeing results faster and focus on what truly matters. Spending more time with your family and growing your income. So, if you're ready to take the leap and start earning online without all the usual headaches, click on the link below this video or in the pinned comments in the comment section. Also, let me know in the comments if you did buy a course already and what your experience was like going through it. Let's focus on what's important and productive. And hey, if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so you can get more tips on how to successfully earn money online. Bye-bye.